This is for one person.
It's for the village. You know here, it's a village of 200. So for me, I have 2 wives. So if you have 2 wives,
Two
you have
house.
2 house. 6 wives, 6 houses.
And how many goats
Here, this like
per house?
maybe sometime if you have like maybe like you are 2 cows or maybe 10 cows, you put like your own mark to show between somebody marks. Maybe if the cow lost, you cannot buy the mark. You call me. This is your cow. I've seen your cow. You see, we put a brand on the ear. And sometimes we burn a metal, and then we roast. Yeah, we put a mark.
Okay.
Oh, it marks like here.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
put the brand on the ear. And sometimes metal. And for us, we don't eat chickens. Because according to our culture, chickens are birds. So definitely we don't eat birds. Yeah. Also different color. It shows like a different families.
Oh.
So this is my family color.
Okay.
And here we are near to the park. So normally we get a wild animal problem like elephant.
Yeah.
They come to eat the crop. So
To eat
here
what?
the crop. So here we don't grow anything because once we try to grow wild animal like elephants, they come to eat the crop.
Yeah. Really different.
Yeah. Yeah. Aribu. And the houses are made by the ladies. Ladies make the houses. And men they take off for grazing. They fence around the village. They guide at night. The ladies they build the house. They fetch water. They clean the house. They do like housework.
So, but if you're not growing anything here, what are you like? What is the food that except
Blood, milk, and meat.
okay.
That is the stuff.
Yeah.
La droga. have to follow that one. Like, road transit. Don't they approach, eh?
This guy main focus.
Oh my god, I am dead.
You go there, check out and they're jumping.
How high you jumping? Did you understand that? They have a different language, eh? I think they do. I asked Ben already. What are they doing every day? I saw sometimes with a half meter like that.
Yeah.
That's like the dialect.
Yeah.
So bright for another one.
It is a welcoming dance for you. Also jumping, it is a competition. So the higher you jump, the less there you pay when you get married. Yeah, and also you see the one they go around, it's a celebration after killing the lion. So the one they go around is a celebration after killing the lion. So I think from now, we'd like to go to show you how we make a fire. After that, we show you the houses, how they look like. So we continue. By matches, no lighters. We use this kind of a special wood. So this is we call it a sandpaper tree. This is the cedar. So in form of friction, we get fire from here. Also, this part is hot. We make some burning. So we can see. This is the smoke.
Yeah.
Always where the smoke must be fire. Also, just like a good smell. It smells nice. Then we transfer the dry ashes.
Wow.
Feel the
So that's the way we make it. So for us, no matches, no lighters, with this kind of a special thing. So we continue now. We go to see the houses. We want to see the houses, and our houses that are very small, so we can see like different houses. After a few minutes, we meet together.
Okay.
Like you go with him to show you the house. You with him. Okay. No. And you come. You are you familiar with him?
Yeah. The three of us.
With
Yeah.
and the guy.
Yeah.
So guys,
Yeah.
you are welcome again. So this is my mother's house. We are going to see inside the house, and you are free to try to ask questions, and also you can take more photos. Okay? So guys, you are welcome.
Thank you.
This is my mother's house, and I would like to explain about the culture, and also about the Maasai houses. So first of all, Maasai, we are polygamous. We used to marry many wives as long as we have cows, because we pay cows in form of dowry. We pay like 10 cows for one wife. And also in our culture, ladies make the houses, and it take like 2 months to build house like this. And also inside the house, we have a different rooms, because it's a kitchen. This is where we normally do cooking. We do have a bed there. That's a bed for parents. And then this one is another bed. It's a bed for children.
Oh, this one.
Oh, this one? Oh.
Here is a bed for children.
Oh, okay. There. Yeah.
And then that's a bed for parents. And then here we do have a guest room. Yeah, like you guys, if you want to spend a day or a week, this is a free accommodation for you.
Okay.
Yeah, and on the top we do have a roof, and it's made of grass, cow dung, and long strong stick. We put more grass and cow dung, so whenever it rains, not a leak inside water. Yeah, because of many grasses and cow dung. And also our main food as Maasai is blood from cow, milk, meat, and corn, maize corn. And the blood that we take from the cow, we don't kill cow for blood, but we have to tie the cow with a rope, and then we shoot to the main vein. Yeah, using a special bow and arrow. And after we get the blood, we just mix with milk, and then we boil it in the kitchen, and then we drink as a delicious food. And the main reason why we drink blood is because here no farming, we don't grow, because we are near the game reserve. So when we try to farming, animals like the buffaloes, zebra and the gazelle, they used to come and eat our crops. So we don't do any farming. But we have a little Mexican whereby we used to walk to Tanzania. We go to trade with them, whereby we trade with them, we give them cows, they give us maize. Barter trade. Because here no farming. That's why we exchange cows the maize.
Yep.
Yeah, and also at the age of 15 years, we do have a circumcision of boys.
Yeah.
And after being circumcised, we have to go to the wilderness. We go and spend 5 years in the bush.
5 years.
Yeah, we go to learn about Maasai culture.
Wow.
We learn how to make fire, like the one I show you. We learn how to jump, and jumping is a competition. The more you jump high, the less dowry you pay whenever you get married. And also we learn how to make herbal medicine, natural medicine from the bush. As also we learn how to kill animals. But we don't kill them for meat, we just kill as a training. Yeah, because after we complete the 5 years in the bush, we have to kill a lion, a male lion. 50 boys kill one lion. We kill a lion as a group. And when we kill a lion, we have to bring the main part, the head one. That is for dancing on special occasion. We also bring the teeth of the lion. And that is a good necklace. That is for good luck and for protection. We also bring the skin. And the skin belongs to my father, who is the chief of the 200 villages around here. If they want to wear a lion skin to show that the leader, if they want to bless couples when they get marriages, if they want to bless the young Maasai Mara before they go to the wilderness for hunting.
Okay.
So guys, you are welcome again. You are free to ask questions, and also you are free to take more photos and videos.
All good.
I take it.